My name is Karima Samuels and my poem is called Light. When I see the lights and I am fighting, my second best team is Tennessee Titans. My brother used to play for Marshall High Bisons. My grandmother needed to get her license. It's a man who's all playing Lion Tyson. I see my father on the floor dicing. When I go in the freezer, the food is icing. When I finish fighting, I need to tell my friends stop icing. This is the end of my case, y'all.